summertime. Hey, every massive have to come along. Go for your suntan in the summer sun. If you want.
Thank you. Okay, so I found a restaurant, and yeah, they have a lot of pasta here.
Now, tell me, what's your pleasure? A la carte? Dinner? Uh-huh. Okay. Heads up.
Because that's what I'm craving right now, even though I had pasta, like, I had pasta for lunch, but whatever. I'm in Italy, so pasta for lunch, breakfast, and dinner? What? Yeah. I don't know if for a drink I should get wine. I think that's what I want to get. What I've been drinking, I feel like I should get white wine again. Or like, I kind of want to try, I've been drinking just wine, so I think I kind of want to try like a different drink, like a mixed drink. Yeah, but we'll see. I don't know. Anyways, pasta. Here, I'll show you guys the menu. I think I'm gonna get maybe linguine again, or yeah, I guess I'm gonna ask the waiter if she can tell me what these food items are. Cause yeah, it's all in Italian. I don't know what it says. I'm going to eat, and then I leave Milan at 11 o'clock, and I'm going to Rome. So yeah, I'm excited about that. Yeah, like I said, I'm a bit drunk right now. I'm like tipsy. I'm not drunk. I'm tipsy. So yeah, I'm on a nice wave right now. But I feel like when I eat, like it's all gonna like disappear. Yeah, my hostel is really, really nice. I loved it. I basically showed you guys how my hostel looked and everything. Oh, when I got there, they gave me a drink for free. So it's either a glass of wine, red or white, or a beer. So I most definitely took advantage of that. It was so nice. Like free drinks? What? Of course. Give me free drinks.
Free drinks! 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 Free drinks!
So yeah, I was really happy with that. What else? It was just really clean for the most part. Yeah, really nice. The staff were nice too, which I really liked. And what else? I don't know. It was really a really nice hostel. Like I said, I compared to the one in Amsterdam that I went to last year. So yeah. So yeah, when my food comes out, I'll show you guys how it looks and what I'm getting. And I'm obviously getting wine or an alcoholic beverage. So yeah.
1 hour later.
Hi.
Your madam.
So what is this? What does this have in it?
This is fusilli with ragu, with the pasta with salsa tomato with meat.
Like beef?
Meat
Yeah, meat, like beef meat? Beef?
in the mix.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, I have that.
This.
Yeah.
Fusilli.
What's
That's
the
one
most
of
popular item, like pasta on the menu?
the pasta is the popular is the trophy with pesto, or is the very good is the lasagna.
Okay. I'm just gonna get this one.
Okay,
And-
one fusilli ragu.
Yeah.
And drink?
And can I get a glass of white wine?
Yes, one.
Yeah.
Okay, bianco. Okay.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay,
Thank you. Get my food. I'm so excited to eat. I'm so hungry. Yeah, so what was I saying? Yeah, so I'm leaving for Rome at 11 in the night. I'm gonna reach it at 6 in the morning. And yeah, okay, so I'm gonna tell you about my experience in Milan. So Milan is a really, really beautiful place. It's a fashion capital, like I said. For a lot of people that I've seen, that when I was walking around, I noticed like, okay, they're from Milan because they're very trendy compared to like the tourists and stuff. So I can kind of tell the difference between who's from Milan and who's not, just by how they're dressed. Thank you. I mean, depending on where you go, it's not like expensive, because I thought it would be really expensive. I thought literally all I would be seeing is Gucci and Versace and Louis Vuitton everywhere. But there are normal stores that they have here, and everything that I've seen, like most of the stuff have been on sale, so that was good. What else? Honestly, I saw the what's it called? The cathedral. I saw that, but I mean, there's not really a lot to do. I would say to come here if you are really into fashion and you wanna like buy like clothing and stuff and shoes and like whatnot. But for sightseeing, I don't think it's like a good place to really see like monuments and stuff. So yeah, I mean, it was okay. I guess because I don't have money like that, so it was okay for me. But if you have money to blow, then this is a place for you. I don't have money like that, so yeah. Close to my hostel, there was a lot of stores and restaurants and stuff, and like I said, I like things that are in walking distance to my hostel, so yeah, that was really good. Oh yeah, so Rome is, I feel like it's more, I've never been there before, but from what I've researched, I feel like it's more of like has a lot of sightseeing things to do. So I feel like if you really want to go sightseeing, go to Rome. But I'll tell you guys more about that when I actually go and actually experience how Rome is like from my point of view. So yeah, they gave me chips. I think these are chips. Yeah, they gave me like potato chips. It looks like this. And yeah, I got like, I'll show you guys what I got. And I got a glass of wine, obviously. Ever since I landed in London, I've been drinking straight wine. And I normally drink red wine, but I realized since I got to Europe, I've been drinking white wine. Thank you. And I just got my glass of wine.
Hot Barbie summer.
What Juicy say? Like,
Don't run from me, pretty.
It is what it is, there's some 5-star. She a big old freak, it's a must that I hit. It's a hot girl summer, so you know she got it lit. No, she got it lit. Hot girl summer, so you know she got it lit. Yeah. No, she got it lit. Hot girl summer, so you know she got it lit.
Look, handle me? Who gon' handle me? Thinking he's a player, he's a member on the team. He put in all that work, he wanna be the MVP. I told him ain't no taming me, I love my niggas equally. Thinking 9 to 5 niggas with that superstar beat. The superstar star, now I got him far link. I called a Jake to get that nigga, I told him call, don't send no text. And don't you tell him you with me when they be asking where you at. I can't read your mind, gotta say that shit. Should I take your love, should I take that? Got a whole lot of options, cause you know a girl's hopping. I'm a high girl, so you know ain't shit to stop me.
Hey guys, okay, so I'm in Rome and I'm currently heading to the Colosseum. It's 20 minutes away from my hostel, so I'm gonna walk because I honestly don't mind.
5-star, she a big old freak, it's a must that I hit. It's a hot girl summer, so you know she got it lit. No, she got it lit. Hot girl summer, so you know she got it lit. Yeah. No, she got it lit. Hot girl summer, so you know she got it lit. Yeah.
Who a how to be? Who got a lot of D? Who poppin' like a P when he be hopping out the V? And who gon' tell him that my bitch is getting her degree? And when we say it's hot girl summer, we ain't talking about degrees. Who won't follow me? Like who don't follow me? Cause even in your new bitch, I can see a lot of me. And honestly, I'm on it cause that should be comedy. You ain't put me in no brands, but I see you proud of me. I'm just a real, give a fuck about a trick. I'm some real, and we really with this. Put this on your lip. Give a fuck about the dick. I get that and then I grab my shit and then I dip.
It is what it is, there's some 5-star. She a big old freak, it's a must that I hit. It's a hot girl summer, so you know she got it lit. No, she.
Okay, hey guys, okay, so I'm gonna show you around my hostel. Okay, so over there's the front entrance. right there. I'm pretty sure you guys saw that when I was walking in. I think I took a video of that. In there is just the food area. So I guess you can call it the cafeteria. I had my breakfast there this morning. So yeah, let's see what over there is. And we have here, which is the lounging area. This is the lounging area right here. Outside here, which is really nice. And we have walkers over here. And then in here is the kitchen, which is pretty cool. And then here we have a mini washroom and a shower. And then here's the laundry. So yeah, we have a laundry room, iron, and the board. And it even smells like laundry in this hallway. It smells so good. And there's an elevator, but we passed it. Well, it's outside again. But yeah, we passed the elevator, so I'm just gonna show you guys the stairs. So my room is 103, which is right here. Yeah, that's pretty much it. The only thing I didn't show you guys is the washroom. Like my washroom in my room and toilet. So yeah, this hostel is really nice. I give it a 5 out of 5. And the price is good. And yeah, this just shows you that hostels are not as bad as people may think it is. Cause like I told you guys, when I came back from my first trip, a lot of people were like judging me because I stayed at hostels, but if you find the right ones, it's not bad. It actually compares to a hotel, and it's cheaper, so. Okay, so right now, I'm heading to the famous fountain in Italy, in Rome. And yeah, I'm just following this map. They gave me a map at the hostel, which is great, and they showed me exactly how to get there, which is also great. So yeah, it's not far, it's like 10 minutes away, he was saying, so it's not bad.
Dance, you dey dance, I'm doing the singing, you doing the dancing. Why you there for? Why you want the dollar? This kind dance, you dey dance, I'm doing the singing, you doing the dancing. Hey, man.